Let us now move on to a sutram which prescribes the affix do following the verbal root bhu sattayam. This sutram is 32180. Sambhyo Dvasanyayam. Now let's recall that the adhikara of Tat Shila Tat Dharma Tat Sadhukarishu that ended at 32178. So this sutram 32180 is outside that adhikara. So here we have to simply use kartari krit. So this affix do is used to denote an agent of the action, not necessarily in the sense of habitual action, etc. The vritti of the sutram says ebhyo bhuvo duh syat natu sanyayam, which means that following the verbal root bhu sattayam, the affix do may be used when bhu is preceded by the upasarga vi or pra or sam, but the condition is that the word which is so derived should not denote a proper name. Let's take a quick example. Vibhu meaning Vyapakaha. Vibhu is one who pervades. This is an adjectival form. It is not the name of a particular person. It's anybody, one who pervades. So derivation is very simple. This Sutram 32180 is used to bring in the affix do following the verbal root bhu when it's preceded by the upasarga vi, and we have vi who do by this Sutram 32180, and as we already mentioned, this is Kartari Krit 3467. It denotes the agent of the action, so one who pervades, because vi plus bhu means to pervade. And now we remove the dakara, which is a it, by 137 to 2, and then tasya lopaha, so we get vi bhu plus u. The dakara as a it in do causes the t lopaha of the angam, so the ukara, which is the t bhaga of the angam, takes lopaha, and we get vi bha u. This is by the sutram 64143 tehe. Actually, as we have seen many times before, this sutram 64143 comes in the adhikara of bhasya. The angam does not have the bhasanya here, because bhasanya is only possible when we have a pratyaha from which is a swadi pratyaha, and swadi pratyaha start from 412 in the Ashtadhyayi. Right now we are using the sutram 32180, so this pratyaha do is not a swadi pratyaha, so the angam cannot get the bhasanya, but still we do t lopaha, because otherwise having the dakara as an it in do will serve no purpose. So the angam takes the t lopaha on the basis of ditva samarthyat. Ditva samarthyat bhasyapi ter lopaha, which of course we have seen many times before. So we get the prajpadikam vibhu, which gets the prajpadika sanya by krit tadita samasascha. Similarly, we can derive the forms prabhu meaning swami. So this is when the verbal root is preceded by the upasarga pra, and so also sambhu, which means janita, creator, generator. So these are the forms which are derived using this sutram. Now the sutram says asanyayam, so the condition is that we should not be deriving a proper name. So if you have somebody whose name is vibhu, then in that case we cannot use this affix do. We have to use the affix quip, but the prior sutram 3179, which says bhuvaha sanyantara yoho, that prescribes the affix quip when a proper name is being derived. So at that time we will not get the form vibhu, but we'll get the form vibhuhu if that is somebody's name. It's a proper name. So that is why we have to be careful of this condition of asanyayam. The forms vibhuhu, prabhuhu, and sambhuhu, which are derived using this sutram, they are adjectival forms. They qualify somebody. They are not proper names.